Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get new icons on a Nintendo Switch. So what we need to do is go to Nintendo Switch Online, and you can then select your profile. And in Nintendo Switch Online we can go down to missions and rewards. Let's enter this, and then over here at the top, here we'll find a bunch of different games or categories. So here we can select our favorite games. Let's choose Animal Crossing, for example, and then over here we have a bunch of different characters which we can buy for the platinum points. And in addition to characters, if we scroll down, we can also find some background. And there we go, we have some backgrounds. We also have frames, and of course different games have different rewards. And if we want to buy them, then we can simply select them, and of course we can press redeem points. However, you need to be a member of Nintendo Online in order to be able to redeem them, even if you have enough platinum points. However, once you buy the characters, the backgrounds, and the frames, then you can go over here where you have your icon collection, and here you can find them. Here we have icons and icon pods. You can also press create icon in order to create something new, but like I said, you need to purchase them first. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.